Hi, I'm Bill from TouchUp RX. Today I'm going to show you how to use the TouchUp RX do-it-yourself paint chip repair kit to address one chip on a car. That one right there. Today we're going to fix a chip on this Porsche Cayman S in Carrera white. You can see there's one nice chip right there. Got the Carrera white paint and the TouchUp RX do-it-yourself paint chip repair kit. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the paint and shake it, mix the paint real well. I'm going to use the larger flexible orange squeegee. I'm going to put the paint on the underside of the beveled edge, just a couple drops, maybe one drop. I'm going to turn it and pull it right over that chip. That was the whole process right there. One swipe I did it. You want to see it again? Second swipe. So you want to spread that paint smooth and flat over the chip. Got a little too much there. Now we're going to let that dry for about 5 minutes or so. Come back and do the next step of blending it. Now we're waiting for that paint to dry. You got paint on your squeegee. That's dry now also. So how do you get it off? You shake up the pink stuff that comes with the kit. And you just squirt some on the cloth. And you're basically just going to pull that paint right off the squeegee with the cloth and the blending solution. This way your squeegee's clean and ready to use again next time you need it. Or you can use it with a different color. Alright, that's clean. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes since we put that paint on. It's dry to the touch. It's not fully cured, so to speak, but it's dry. No paint coming off. Now that can sit on there for 5 minutes or 20 minutes or half an hour or longer. You don't have to get the paint off the car right away. So second step, we're going to use the blending solution. Squirt some on the cloth. I fold the cloth twice over so it's more flat. And I'm holding my hand flat on the cloth and just lightly rubbing over all that excess paint that's around the chip. You can push a little harder if you want, if you're not near the chip. You can see that paint starting to melt away. It's going to keep rubbing until all that excess paint's off the car. I'm going to use the microfiber towel and quickly hand buff over it just to dry the residual paint, the residual blending solution that's left on the hood. And there you have it.